Welcome to another episode of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. Got a great recipe coming up. A lot of you have been asking for it actually from the last time we did the edamame with the lobster roll. People wanted to see how to make a soup because you were mentioning that. So we have a very special guest of honor today, Hiro.
We have actually, yes, you already seen that, the lobster here.
Two lobsters.
Yeah, two lobsters here. And I'm going to make two recipes today.
Okay.
Of course, I'm going to use this part in the head. So I'm going to use a lobster miso soup. And then I'm going to use the claw meats and tail meats from the boss. I'm going to use, make the fried rice, lobster fried rice.
And some of you have been saying that it's better to steam a lobster than boil it, so we have our steamer here today.
Yeah.
Thank you for that idea. We're going to give that a try. And two lobsters are about 1.5 pounds each. Total cost is like $27. I'll put the information down below. All right, Hiro?
Yeah.
So are we going to take out the rubber bands here? We need to. You need to remove it anyway because you don't want to steam the rubber bands inside there. Okay, so let's begin, Hiro.
So we're gonna cut off the how they call it, this point to or straight down.
There's like an X if you look at it, like a cross.
Yeah.
Crosshairs. That's the best way to do it. Okay.
And this side.
Okay. Now we're going to take out the tail, right? Just
Yeah,
twist it off. That's the easiest way.
Yeah, just a twisting. Okay, and then the cloves.
Still very active, the tails.
Yeah.
You see there. This is just nerves though, you know? Moving. Okay, so
we're gonna do the tail meats and the claw meats.
okay.
But I have one idea. After that, straight is more easier. So we're gonna put in the skewer all the way in this guy in here.
Okay.
All right. Oof. You see that?
Still active, huh?
Very, very strong. Oh, it's pretty strong.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just the
goodness.
nerve.
Okay, like that.
Okay.
All right, let's go to the steamer.
Now, since we're going to be using this for fried rice, the best way, do you think we should, how long do you steam it for?
It's not really necessary to go all the way cook.
Because you can.
Well done. Okay, so after 8-9 minutes, lobster steamed done. So let's check. Okay, what do you think? Looks good.
Yeah, that's great. One reason, and look, Hiro, stayed straight, which is a great idea. Like you do with the shrimp.
And the claw meats.
And another reason why you steam it a little bit, so the meat doesn't stick to the inside of the shell. It should come out fairly easily.
This one, better keep this one a little bit because if you pull off the skewer, it's gonna be shrimp again. So
Okay.
let's start with the claw first. Still very, very hot. Use my towel.
A lot of people say how many towels you go through each week. It depends. Actually, clean them. You don't just use them and throw them away.
The towel?
Yeah.
Actually, we try to use the new one, you know?
Oh, that's great, Hiro.
Nice meats.
Lobsters used to be fed to inmates, to people in jail a long, long time ago. That's what they used to eat. That's what they used to feed them. But now it's a delicacy. Wow, Hiro. Look at this claw meat. Fresh, still steaming. Karate chop.
Yes.
It falls right out. So you don't have to steam it till it's well done. Steam it till it's about maybe 60 to 80% done, and then you're going to cook the rest in the fried rice dish.
Exactly.
If you cook it till it's 100% done and you cook it again while you're doing the fried rice, it's overcooked already. And for some of those you watching also, for some of those who have watched in our previous episodes, you're saying that there's a lot of meat inside the legs. Here's going to be using those legs for the flavoring of this miso soup. So that's on our next video. Is all the meat cooked all the way through here?
Yeah, actually all the way through.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. It's okay.
I say the lobster tail, that's where you know how well it's cooked because obviously it's very thick.
Okay, this is from the crow meats.
Wow, great.
So tail.
And that's cooked all the way through as well.
Yep.
It's still steaming.
Okay. Then I want to cut it a
Perfect.
little bit smaller.
Okay. Okay.
Here are the ingredients. Of course, the main stuff is lobster meat. And here the Japanese short grain rice, steamed already. So almost 50-50 portion.
That's incredible.
That's a lot of the. And then onion, carrots, and an egg, scallion, bean sprout, and I'm gonna use the cilantro for the decoration. And I'm gonna use the vegetable oil, salt, black pepper, sesame oil, and soy sauce. That's it.
Nice. And this is the secret. We said some fresh steamed white rice. Try it. Just don't add too much water so it's not so sticky, but what an incredible difference. Okay, Hiro-san,
Sure.
Okay, let's start to cook.
Okay. All right, we are ready, Hiro.
Ready.
Again, if you guys want to know where to buy this wok, a lot of you have been asking, check out my own personal channel. Got the information over there. Okay, Hiro-san,
Sure.
which came first, the chicken or the lobster?
Lobster.
Lobster coming first.
chicken or egg, but the lobster was eggs.
Yeah, in this case, it's the egg. The egg came first. Sometimes if you put everything in and then you put the egg after, the egg just coats it. It's not by itself. Now, what heat is it on, Hiro? Is it like a medium
It's
heat?
all the way up, maximum.
Maximum heat?
Yes,
okay.
maximum heat. Lobster, all the way in?
All the way in, Hiro. We must.
All the way in, yes.
It's like, would you like some lobster with your rice? This is a lobster omelet. You know, it could be a lobster omelet right now.
Yeah, lobster omelets. Exactly. Put some cheese. You know?
Yeah, that's right.
And rice.
Oh. What a fried rice, Hiro. What a fried rice.
Fried rice, right?
Everything here costs over $30. Almost 30 just for the lobster and just a few more items. This is pepper.
Carry on. Bean sprout. You see my motion?
See it. Keep going. Can you do the Gangnam style, Hiro? The song by Psy, Gangnam style. Oh man, I remember you doing that in Cuba, Hiro. Remember?
Yeah, I know. I still have a video.
Let's show everyone that video.
make a video again this time. You know?
Yes.
A little bit of sesame oil. And before sesame oil was a soy sauce.
That was 2.5 years ago. You doing Gangnam Style in a club in Cuba, Havana, Cuba. Actually, it's Matanzas.
Okay.
That was great.
Let me quick tasting, okay?
Okay.
I want to make sure taste is right. Just a little bit more salt. Fire off.
Beautiful, beautiful.
That's it.
Wow. Again, this would be one of the most expensive fried rices around. Our cost $30. You don't have that big of a portion. You had to sell for at least 60 in a restaurant.
Okay, let me put on the dish.
Okay.
Oh, enough for the 3-person looks like.
Wow. Lot of rice here. And look, this wok is amazing. Of course, non-stick.
Yeah, it's very easy.
It's wonderful, Hiro.
It's good, right?
Look at this meat.
Okay, lobster
Beautiful.
fried rice.
Here, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you soon.
Thank you very much.
And here we go, the best part of all. Delicious lobster
Yes.
fried rice here is on.
Tasting pass.
Itadakimasu.
いただきます。Yes. I think we can add the sriracha mayonnaise too.
Oh yeah. See, nice taste to it, huh? How's it?
Lobster.
Let me try this. A nice piece of lobster meat. Everywhere you go is lobster meat. That's a beautiful part of this dish. So much lobster meat. We'll try it. That is out of this world. The lobster meat, so succulent. And the rice, delicious, Hiro. You gotta try it at home.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.